Covenant Medical Center, dito nagtatrabaho ang aking anak. University Medical Center, nurse siya rito sa Covenant Medical Center, oncology sa mga cancer patient. Hindi mo na kasi Gio Massage Services. Sabi nga, knowledge, power, education is the key to success. Maraming alam, maraming ulam. Mag-aral po tayo ng marating nyo ang inyong pangarap. Kapag marami kang alam, marami kang ulam. Pag wala, nga, sabi nga ng Pilipino. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Gio Massage Services, Covenant Medical Center, Gio Massage Services. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Gio Massage Services. Thank you, God bless us all. Covenant Medical Center. Diyan nagtatrabaho mga professional, doctor, nurses, PT, mag-aral ng may marating sa buhay. Thank you for watching by Gio Massage Services.